Alright everybody, let's just jump straight into this lazy day of eating. I have a frying pan here, I've got a little oil spray going on, and we're going to add some baby spinach onto the frying pan. Now I'm using quite a bit because we all know that it's going to amount to nothing at the very end once I've cooked it. So I'm just using up the rest of the baby spinach that I had, and I'm just going to keep stirring it because it cooks very quickly. And then we are going to add a little bit of lemon juice. That's going to enhance the flavor. And I think it's supposed to be good for you to have vitamin C with spinach. I think it's supposed to enhance iron absorption. Don't quote me on that, but I think. Anyways, we're also going to add in some garlic salt, and that's it. And then we can just plate our spinach, and there you go. There is my very simple breakfast. Just kidding, guys. Come on. We all know that that is not it. Okay, so I'm also going to cook up some baked beans. I've got this can of Heinz original beans in tomato sauce. And yeah, we're just going to cook that up, just kind of basically heating it up on the same pan because remember guys, this is a lazy day of eating. And I also toasted some sourdough bread. I'm just going to cut this piece in half, and on one half I am going to mash some avocado on top. And once the beans are done, I'm just going to plate that as well. And then I'm also going to add some extra avocado on top of the baked beans. And on top, I just decided to sprinkle some simulated bacon bits, not bacon beets, guys. Okay. I just added that just for fun to add a little splash of color. And then I'm also going to add some salt and pepper on top of my spinach and also on top of my avocado toast. And there you go, guys. There is my simple breakfast. Delicious, filling, satisfying, fantastic. Now it's time for lunch. We are going to spray our pan again with a little bit of oil, and then I'm using some soy curls. So I hydrated these soy curls with some water. All you have to do is just soak them in some water for like 10 minutes, and then they're ready to cook. If you guys don't know what soy curls are, they're basically these dehydrated pieces of soy meat, I guess you could call it. It's kind of like a fake meat, but not really. It's just soy pieces, okay? Just a bunch of soy that's dehydrated, and then you rehydrate it, and then you can flavor it however way you want. It is my new obsession. It is fantastic. It's so easy to use. It's awesome. Anyways, onto my soy curls, I'm just adding some garlic salt, another obsession of mine. You guys know me. I cannot live without garlic salt. And then we are going to add some barbecue sauce. I told you guys it's going to be a lazy day of eating. We're adding some barbecue sauce. That's the way I'm going to flavor my soy curls. This is so good. It's so easy. You can also add more barbecue sauce if you want. I added just a little bit because I don't need too much. But you can just drown your soy curls in barbecue sauce if you want. And here's my lunch. We've got the barbecue soy curls. I also have some leftover French fries and also leftover half a burger. This is from my Harvey's burger mukbang. I actually ended up eating 1.5 burgers in the mukbang, and I had half a burger left. I also have a side of baby carrots and also, of course, ketchup. I also have some iced tea left over in that little drink cup there. Dinner time. Let's make some spaghetti. I have some spaghettini, actually. This is thin spaghetti. And then while that's cooking, we're going to chop up some vegan spam. This is my homemade vegan spam / smoked tofu. Recipe will be linked down below, my friends. And then we're also going to cook up some bell pepper. I've got half a bell pepper here, just adding a little splash of water so that it cooks nicely. And then once that is cooked, we can add in my homemade marinara sauce, which is again left over from before. I have a recipe for that as well. Will be linked down below. And then we can just add the pasta after we tossed everything together. We can add that onto a plate. I have a nice side of salad there, and I'm also going to top with some cashew parmesan. Again, recipe will be linked down below. And that's it, guys. Super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!